Hello everyone, my name is Kavya Bansal and today I am going to give a presentation on the research paper A Comparative Study of Relational Database Management System and Object-Oriented Database Management System. Introduction. Data management programs are software programs that provide modeling services and managing a large amount of relevant information shared by multiple users over a long period of time. A company, small or large, has to deal with large amounts of data of customers or clients, user information, and other internal and external information. It is not easy to create, update, or convert large data technically without the use of an efficient database system. There are mainly three types of database management systems. These are RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, ORDBMS, Object Relational Database Management System, OODBMS, Object-Oriented Database Management System. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It allows the user to control the databases through creating, updating, administering, and interacting with a relational database. OODBMS represents the Object-Oriented Database Management System. It uses concepts focused on object, such as object categories, object ownership, polymorphism, encapsulation, and inheritance. Literature review. Data is growing rapidly, both structured and unstructured data, due to increase of giant technologies as well as mass data produced by users. However, for storing unstructured data, OODBMS is used. Mahesh S. Raisinghani and Gabriel Custodio concluded that businesses increasingly require high performance access to complex data, and object databases provide superior performance and scalability compared to relational database alternatives. The World Wide Web has highlighted the reality that many businesses have complex structured data and unstructured data that need to be seamlessly integrated. Object-based databases is developed due to popularity of object-based programming. Rupak K.E., Swati Rao K.S., Ritesh S. Satyadhan delivers information and shows the reasons why oriented programming object is essential as well as beneficial and how it could be used for object-oriented databases. Theresa and Frederick E. Petrie saw how the security is an important issue in databases and applications involving statistical databases, and data mining are relatively critical in preserving the security of secured data. Methodology. Architecture overview of OODBMS. The object program consists of a collection of CORBA servers that process incoming web application requests and return presentation information back to the user. The web server translates these standard or custom HTTP requests into object on CORBA servers, then collects the retrieved data and integrates it into referral applets to the user interface. These applets are cached to the web server memory to reduce the amount of incoming traffic and reduce the response time of the request, also known in the object community as servlets. The key feature of this architecture is that it separates HTML elements of a dynamic page model in backend as C++ or Java objects, where a single object is used to show a site index that allows users to navigate through the site. Moreover, this site index changes its appearance dynamically based on the structure of the backend database. The key advantages of using objects to represent page elements is that these objects can encapsulate algorithms as well as data, so that intelligence and dynamic behavior can be built into site components. Characteristics of object-oriented database in depth. The most important feature of the object-oriented data technology is that it integrates object-focused programs with domain-based technology to provide an integrated system development plan. There are many benefits to including performance and data definition. Defined functions are ubiquitous and do not depend on specific data requests currently in use. Data types can be expanded to support complex multimedia data by defining new object classes that work to support new types of information. Inheritance allows a person to develop solutions to more complex problems by defining new things in terms of previously defined objects. Polymorphism allows a person to define the function of one object and share details of the operation with other objects. Strong binding determines the time of implementation of which of these operation is performed, depending on the category of the object requested to perform the task. A distinctive feature of object is that they have an independent identity of the object. Comparison of OODBMS to RDBMS. OODBMS ensures data encapsulation, whereas RDBMS keeps data independent from application and programs. OODBMS depends on products which make recursive query handling easier. RDBMS depends on standard query language, which makes handling recursive queries difficult. OODBMS supports advanced applications and RDBMS doesn't. There is no need of normalization in OODBMS, whereas RDBMS normalization is strongly recommended. OODBMS uses objective algebra and RDBMS uses relational algebra. OODBMS represents real-world entities efficiently, whereas RDBMS doesn't. Conclusion. It is very difficult to say that which is best suited database, but some has more usefulness and advantages over others. While coming through some additional benefits of OODBMS, in some cases we can say that OODBMS is more effective rather than RDBMS. RDBMS is suitable for structured data which can manipulate the data accordingly. However, OODBMS can handle the complex data, that is big data, efficiently in the real world entities. There are two major advantages of OODBMS over RDBMS. There are so many advanced applications that are emerging with the evolution of technology. However, with the help of object-oriented database, we can easily operate and support advanced applications rather than relational database. There is issue in relational database management and computation of complex data, which is handled easily and efficiently in object-oriented database. Relationship-related information is intended to ensure data independence. The normalized data is divided into processing and processing that is consistent with the requirements for satisfaction. Object-oriented databases have a larger purpose to store together in simple world data encapsulation. They are inseparable. It is much appreciated that RDBMS holds largest part of database and it will exist for a long time in future with OODBMS. Thank you.